I think we've partnered with Microvellum well because they're the future. It's what we found with Microvellum. They've done a really great job utilizing the software. I really wasn't looking for something that I had to change the way we operated. I wanted it to adapt to how we operate. With Microvellum's help, we were able to kind of customize that to fit our operation. That's what's been really beneficial for us. We're not really interested in looking at anything else. It does a good job for us. That continues to bear fruit. And I think that that's in large part with our communication with Microvellum and their offering solutions. That's been really helpful. I think we're on the right path. I just look to expand it. I mean, using it, for more custom products than maybe we are today. So I feel optimistic. We've got an opportunity in front of us I'm excited about.